Hello and welcome, guys. You are watching Sheikh's Learning Hub. Guys, we are going to see the MCQs of the subject auditing of CA final. Guys, we have finished off the MCQs from question number 1 to question number 11 in previous video. The video you can go and watch. I'll be putting the link in the description box. Please check it and have the look on the video. Now we are going to start from question number 12. Now we'll start question number 12. Messrs XYZ and Associate, a partnership firm having three partners, namely X, Y, and Z, has completed two consecutive terms of 5 years, each as auditors of A Limited, a listed company. Mr. Y is also a partner in Rex and Associate, a partnership firm having R, E, and X as partners. Rex and Associate is not eligible to be appointed as auditor in dash for a period of dash years. Now here guys, four options are given. A Limited, B, any subsidiary of A Limited, C, any holding company of A Limited, D, all of these. Guys, the answer here is A, that is A Limited. Now moving on to the question number 13. The concept of rotation of auditors is applicable to options are A. Listed companies, B. Prescribed classes of companies, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The answer for this question will be C, that is both A and B, that is listed company as well as prescribed classes of companies. Now the next question number 14. The concept of rotation of auditors is applicable to options are as follows. A. Listed companies. B. All private limited companies having paid up share capital of rupees 10 crore or more. C. All unlisted public companies having paid up share capital of rupees 50 crore or more. D. All of these. The answer for this question is A, that is listed companies. Question number 15. The concept of rotation of auditors is applicable to all companies having public borrowings from financial institutions, banks, or public deposits of dash or above. The options are as follows. A. Rupees 10 crore. B. Rupees 20 crore. C. Rupees 50 crores. D. None of these. The answer for this question is C, that is rupees 50 crores. Question number 16. The concept of rotation of auditor does not apply to one person company or small companies. Options are as follows. A. One person company and small companies. One person companies and dormant companies. C. Small companies and dormant companies. D. One person companies, small companies and dormant companies. The answer is A, that is one person companies and small companies. Question number 17. Messrs PQR and Associate, a partnership firm having three partners, viz. P, Q and R, has completed two consecutive terms of 5 years, each as auditors of B Limited, a listed company. The two firms, namely PQR and Associate and ST and Associates, operate under the same brand name. ST and Associate being the dash and associated with PQR and Associated being the dash under the dash is not eligible for appointment in B Limited for a period of 5 years. Options are as follows. Outgoing audit firm, incoming audit firm, same network of audit firms. Incoming audit firm, outgoing audit firm, same network of audit firm. Incoming audit firm, outgoing audit firm, common partners. Outgoing audit firms, incoming audit firm, common partners. The answer for this is incoming audit firm, outgoing audit firm, same network of audit firm, that is option B. Now moving on to the question number 18. Messrs ABC and Associate has completed two consecutive terms of 5 years each as auditors of EF Limited, a listed company. 6 months before the completion of second term, one of the partners of Messrs ABC and Associate, namely Mr. A, retired from Messrs ABC and Associate and joined another firm of chartered accountant, namely GH and Associate. The firm GH and Associates shall be negligible to be appointed as auditor of EF Limited for a period of 5 years if options are as follows. Mr. A was in charge of Messrs. ABC and Associates. B. Mr. A used to certify the financial statement of EF Limited. C. Both A and B. D. Either A or B. And the answer is C, that is both A and B. Question number 19. The concept of rotation is applicable to GHI Limited. The audit committee of GHI Limited shall dash to the board the name of the auditor or an audit firm who may replace the auditor on expiry of term of such auditor, and the board dash makes its own recommendation for appointment of the next auditor by the member in the AGM. Options are as follows. Recommend, shall not. Order, shall not. Recommend, shall. Order, shall. And the answer is C, that is recommend, shall. The question number 20. In the case of government company, the appointment of first auditor shall be made by the Comptroller and Audit General of India within dash days. Option A 30 days, B 60 days, C 90 days, D 120 days. And the answer is B, that is 60 days. Now question number 21. Statement 1. In the case of a government company, if the Comptroller and Audit General of India fails to appoint the first auditor, the board shall appoint the first auditor within next 60 days. Statement 2. In the case of government company, if the board fails to appoint the first auditor, the board shall inform the members of the company who shall appoint the first auditor within 60 days at the annual general meeting. The options are as follows. Only statement 1 is correct. Only statement 2 is correct. Both the statements are correct. And the last one is none of the statement is correct. The answer for this is 21. Question number 21 and answer is D. That is none of the statements are correct. Now the last question of this video is question number 22. That is the first auditor shall hold office till A. The conclusion of first AGM. B. The conclusion of 6th AGM. C. He submits his audit report. D. None of these. And the correct answer for this question is A. That is the conclusion of first AGM. Now guys, we are going to continue from question number 23 and onwards in the third video of this topic. Okay, that is audit and auditors. Thank you for watching the video. Now guys, if you want to go through the question number 1 and onwards, that is question number 1 to question number 11, you can watch the video. I'll be putting the link in the description box. So please go through the question. Now we will see question number 23 and onwards in the next video. Till then, good day.